Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see else if statement in Python. Whenever we use if, else if, and else blocks, indentation plays an important role. The statements after or inside the if, else if, or else statement should have proper indentation. In Python, for else if, the keyword is elif. So here I am getting age from the user and I'm converting that string to an integer, and I'm checking first if age is less than 18. If it is less than 18, I have one indent followed by a print statement: you are not eligible for voting. Next, elif, this is else if. So this is how we declare else if in Python. So elif means else if, that is the keyword. Age less than or equal to 58, then you are eligible for voting. Next, I have else block. You are a senior citizen with voting rights. Print finally thank you. So here I am not using any indentation. So if it is inside if block, if it is inside else if block, or if it is inside just else block, it will print accordingly, and finally it will print thank you, because here I'm not using indentation. If I use indentation, it will consider this as else block. So since I'm removing the indentation, now my compiler will think that okay, so there is no indentation, so I should not consider this as else block statement. Let's see this by executing it. Okay. Okay, so I'm in desktop. It is asking sample. I am running this application sample.py. It is asking the age. I'm mentioning it as 12. So it is less than 18. So it should display you are not eligible for voting. And finally, it should come out of this if condition, because it should not run else if or else. And then it should display thank you. Okay, you are not eligible for voting. It is displaying thank you. Next, I'm going to run the same Python script. I'm going to enter 19. So it came into else if condition, and then it displayed you are eligible for voting. Now let's see how to run this code. You are a senior citizen with voting rights. Thank you. So the indentation plays an important role when we use if, else if, or else. For else if, always use elif. That is the syntax. Please check the video description. In the video description, I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get the sample code which was referenced in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.